Okay, good Monday morning, everybody. Happy end to daylight savings time. It is 11:30, so we are going to go ahead and get started. This is the Monday morning briefing for today, November 8th, through this coming Sunday, November 14th. All right. Real quick, we wanted to highlight here the growing season and where it continues and where it has ended. Since this past week, we did have some freezing temperatures in the portions of the Piedmont, up in the Triad, points east, just barely reaching the Triangle, including Durham, but not Wake counties. So those counties in green, which didn't quite get half the county below freezing, those growing seasons continue. The counties in blue there, those ones, the growing season has ended. Taking a quick look at the pattern for the weather this week, beginning of the week and through Wednesday night, maybe even into early Thursday, high pressure will remain in place and the weather should remain dry. Temperatures will be above normal probably through the end of the week, even with the next weather system that comes in. The cold front should move into the mountains on Thursday and crack its way into the foothills and then into central North Carolina sometime on Friday. And the best chance of rain is going to be with that cold front on Friday. It should move east of the area by Saturday, and then we'll have a reinforcing cold front and a return to drier and cooler weather by the end of the weekend. Right now, the Storm Prediction Center isn't highlighting any areas for severe weather or thunderstorms. However, we cannot rule out thunder with the front. It is a little bit far out to determine that just yet, but there is some limited instability with some of those showers, and so we can't completely rule it out. Taking a look at what the Weather Prediction Center has for precipitation totals, and it's pretty minimal as far as our usual convective type rainfall goes. It looks like mainly 1/2 inch or less across the area, maybe some isolated higher amounts if you get lucky and get under one of those heavier showers or storms, but for the most part, generally 1/2 inch or less across central North Carolina. And that's going to mainly fall between Thursday night and Friday evening. No excessive rainfall is expected, as you could probably have deduced from the previous slide. We still have this one chance for potential tropical development, but it's a low chance at that, and that's with that low that's sitting off the North Carolina coast and has been sitting off the North Carolina coast for the last 24 to 36 hours or so. While they are watching the system, the chances of it actually forming into a tropical system are low at this time. Taking a look at the extended outlook for the 8 to 14 day temperature and precipitation, looks like the trend is going to be to more below normal temperatures, but about average as far as precipitation goes for this time of year. And to quickly summarize, again, it should be dry with high pressure in place through the middle of the week. We then have a frontal system that's going to move through late in the week and maybe even early over the weekend. And then it should dry out and cool down again once we get that frontal passage. So while we can't completely rule out chance of thunder with that front, for now, all indications are that any thunder that if we do get it, the chances for anything severe or any kind of widespread flooding right now is not high enough to make significant note of. So with that, I will pause, and if anybody has any questions, please feel free to put them in the questions box. Thank you.